see. Nice.
Little bubbly.
Alright, so we got the bubbly, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, what's it do?
Following our dreams.
Cheers. Wow. So strong for Singapore. Woohoo! Alright. Keep going. Alright. Oh, okay. See that fishing boat up here, right? Marker, like. Okay. There's the Big New Bern Bridge, East River. Last time we're gonna see this for a while. Sure, fight today. Here come the last set of markers now at Duck Creek. Last time we'll be in New Bern for a while. I'd be surprised you could ever come back to Duck Creek. Say what? Hey, there you go. Funny. Well, she has to my backside. As you can see from the water, it's a pretty calm day today, so looks like we'll be doing a bunch of motoring, and but if we get lucky, we'll maybe get a pump wind as we get past up past Fairfield Harbor, Blackbeard Yacht Club, up that area, and as we get closer to Oriental, sometimes we get a good wind picking up because the river opens up that direction. That's it. We're out. Heading out of New Bern. Here's my fake drone shot. My fake drone shot. Oh, okay. I like the weave it. I'm just flying around here. Yeah. Okay, we're coming in for a landing with the drone. Alright. Alright, Captain, Admiral, where to now?
Just start the ride and straight on to morning.
You take that faster, never gets worried. Okay. So, yeah, I haven't grown up yet. Okay, so next thing you want to do is
Because he likes playing with tires.
so if I'm the pirate, he must be Tinkerbell. Oh, you're a mermaid. Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, take you down to the depths and drown you. Yeah, you're more like that. Sure. See, I knew it. I knew it. Okay, so let's zoom out on the GPS there. So hit the little minus button at the bottom of the screen there. Give it a couple tweaks. You see all those nice little breadcrumbs so you see how I'm turning. So you're doing a nice easy turn now, so that's good.
I already saw that.
Did you?
Already started.
You are already on top of it. I don't even know why I'm on the boat.
Pretty good.
Oh, thank you, girl. That's so kind of you. What we want to do is turn a little more, so you're going to nice easy turn. That's good. Let's go ahead and set a waypoint for Minnesota Beach, which is the first where our first turn is. Okay. So, let's go ahead and get your rudder centered up here. Anytime. You're waiting for something, are you? Okay, now you need to center up.
I was waiting to get.
No, because remember, this has a delay to it, so watch the bow of your boat. It's like, okay, you're coming back. There you go. The GPS always has a delay when you're looking at it. It's not instantaneous. Alright, so let's get your rudder centered and hit the autopilot. There you go. Okay, flip. Now it's autopilot.
Yep.
Yeah, it'll take a minute to settle down. Alright, so now we want to... Well, we've been working on moving, so... Okay, so let's take your finger and scroll down the map there. There you go. Keep going. And keep going. And we're looking. Keep going. So we're looking for Minnesota Beach. And you'll see a turn of the... there's a submerged tree we gotta watch for.
It's already turned.
And there's Minnesota Beach. So, if you want, create a marker like where that number 21 is. Just put your finger right there on 21. The screen. Right there, yeah. Alright, say navigate to. Say go to. Okay, we now have a rum line going to there.
How come you didn't do the waypoint? You said waypoint.
Don't have, it makes its own waypoint when you do that. Alright, so you've got a rum line that's showing here that is going through the land. As you can't go that way. Okay, but this will give us a calculated timing of what it takes. And you see that because the news turns, you meet right up with that. Okay? So what we're looking at is at this point we're going to take, it's going to be 2 o'clock before we even get close to getting there. So we're going to increase speed, are we? Alright. How many RPMs are you doing?
10. I am doing 1300.
Yep. Okay, how's your temperature? 139. It's in degrees. It's 139 degrees Fahrenheit.
Right.
Which is, it normally runs about 160, but since I've...
Still warm.
Yeah, well, since I put in that, put the cooling lines through the engine, I'd say the cooling lines from the engine into the water heater, now it acts as a heat exchanger, so therefore she doesn't get as hot as quick. So I think she might run, and this will be a good test today, to see what she normally runs at. But I imagine once the water heater heats up, it'll probably still run about 150, 160. Oil pressure looks good, usually between 30 and 40. That's PSI. And it looks like you're charging at 14.3, so we're charging the batteries. And the time is 10 o'clock, which is not right because it's actually 10:37. Alrighty, so we do have a marker coming up, so we're going to want to move our little point. So if we look here at our line, so we want to come to the port. I'd probably go about hit 10, negative 10 on there, which is to the port. Yep. And you'll see that the bow will start to move. There she goes. Over 10 degrees. Approximately. Give or take. two ripples. Like, I don't think we're going to be pulling the sails out this time at all. I'm going to sit here and do fishing. I was looking for some birds up here. It's over there.
Ripples are?
Or is that a bird? That might be a bird. Right above it. It should be over to the port side.
Oh,
Do you see it? I think that, or that could be a bird. It's a bird. Don't see any dolphins yet. Yeah, we don't get many dolphins. We get a few around here, but nowhere near, I mean, maybe one or two stragglers. Don't really get dolphins around here too much. Alright, coming up on Minnesota Beach here. There's the Minnesota Ferry over there. And Minnesota Beach is right here. Minnesota Beach is kind of neat. It comes in like a little hook. So you see the sandbar and all the birds just hang out there every so often. And we've anchored here before and then just swam to the beach. It's got quite a drop off, so it's pretty deep. Well, not that we need a lot of depth, but then you got Camp Seagull over on the other side of Minnesota Beach. And there's basically, this is a little hook. So it's got this little beach part comes out, and then you go inside the little hook over there. Inside that area is where kind of the dolphins sometimes hang out. You can see them early in the mornings.
I've been enjoying laying down here for a few minutes in the nice warm sun.
It is nice and warm over here now.
But I noticed when I was peeking that we are getting very close to our new home.
About 30 minutes. Okay. They're much closer. There's the town of Oriental, the waterfront. You can see the bridge. The bridge we can't go under. My wife was looking at several homes that were behind there. And I'm like, honey, those are great houses, but the boat can't get under there. It's not big enough. The bridge is only like 42 feet high, so you ain't getting this 50-foot mast underneath there. So, that, like I said, that's the town of Oriental there. There's the waterfront. You can see the shrimp boats. They're called riggers and fishing boats. And then over just a little bit off to the right here, or starboard, mateys, there's a little opening gap right there. You can see Whitaker Point Marina. We're going to go past Whitaker Point and then jog off to the port side and into the creek. And that's our new home and new dock for the boat. Sailing Not Shore finds its new home for a while now. Woohoo! See, cute. Like, boat naps are the best, aren't they? Oh, wait, that's not recording.
Yeah. Really? Yeah.
Yes!
Yeah, okay.
That can't. Oh, sorry, dudes. Let me shut this off. That house right there looks like a little lighthouse. Here we are coming up on our entrance. Okay, so we're gonna have to make a port turn. I was looking at all the boats. Yeah. Oh, hey, thanks for watching. Appreciate you being there. Yeah.
If you liked our video, please click like.
We usually do that at the end. We can do it now. Hit that subscribe button, huh? All right.
Hit that subscribe button. Help us out.
Help us out. Hit subscribe. Now that way you'll be
We'll
notified
make more videos.
as we keep making more videos. Cool?
Yeah.